Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Creating with Miss V. In today's video, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree plate and decorate it with black and white stripes because this is my style. Being that I'm going to use my plates for decorative purposes, I did not want to go out and purchase one, so I used some paint that I already had. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and give it a fresh coat of white paint. So this is my DIY channel, Creating with Miss V. If you like doing it yourself projects and Cricut craft projects and trash to treasures on a budget, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button so you'll be a part of the family, and go ahead and tap that bell icon twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I try to upload a video at least once a week on this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and give it this fresh coat of white paint, then let it dry. And I'm going to share with you some tips on how to create some clean lines when you're using two paints. I got the inspiration from Natalie of Design to the Nines. I'll link her channel. Actually, I'll link the video where she show you her little hack. So that's where I got the idea from. I like to always give credit. So I'm going to take this masking tape. It's best to use painter's tape, but I went ahead and used what I had because remember, I'm on a budget on this channel also. So by me using the masking tape, I did have to go back in and repaint, do some touch-up paint, but that's okay because this is very relaxing and therapeutic to me. So the extra work did not bother me. So I want to go ahead and create these two decorative plates. So that's one that I finished, but I have to go in and touch up. You can see some spots where you don't have a straight line. So I'm going to continue putting the tape on here. Not really measuring, kind of eyeballing the center. Just when you place your tape down, because this plate is kind of beveled, you have to make sure your tape is flat. So I try to eyeball as best I can so the two plates will be identical. See where I took some of the paint off the plate by removing the tape, but I can go back in and fix all of those imperfections. So this is a true do-it-yourself channel. I show you the mistakes you make and how to fix them. So the tip is to go ahead after you've placed your tape down, go ahead and go over it again with the white paint, because that is the color that's going to bleed once you pull the tape up. So I thought this was a great tip that Natalie gave on her channel, and I want to share it with you guys. So it will make a big difference. So I'm going to let this coat of white paint dry, and then I'll be back to fill the lines in with the black paint. Well, I actually didn't let it dry. I went ahead and filled the lines in with the black paint with a smaller brush. Had to give it a couple of coats because it blended in with the white paint. So that's it. I'm going to continue painting and let you enjoy the music. So I'm showing you where I have to go. I'll just go in and fill those imperfections in with some more paint. I kind of like that little aged look also, but I think it's pretty good for my first time doing this. So I want to go ahead and thank you for watching this video. I hope it brought you some type of inspiration. So on this channel, Creating with Miss V, I'm here to inspire you to do it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.